My friends don't care about everything as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run.
Good morning, everyone! Today is our day 3 here in Hokkaido, Japan. And today, mag-explore na naman tayo around Hokkaido. O, diba? For today, pupunta natin yung Otaru, which is an hour away lang from Sapporo. So, tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming gala today. This is our everyday ruta here in Nakajima. Kayang-kaya na yung lamig, guys. Para na akong locals dito. Ito pala kami. Your family. So we are here at Sapporo Station na, and from the subway station we will be transferring to JR train line. If magko-commute kayo, guys, going to Otaru, dito lang yung sakayan, going to Otaru, and need mo talagang sumakay sa may JR line. Yes, dito din yung airport. And etong station na to, guys, napaka-busy. Tingnan nyo, yung mga tao laging nagmamadali. Sunday pala ngayon. May trabaho siguro sila Sunday. Ha? Friday? Yan na talaga yung 6th stage ng traveling. Hindi mo na alam kung ano yung araw, tsaka petsa. Akala ko Sunday ngayon. So for this travel, guys, we just used our iCoca card. Nagpa-load lang kami. However, if gusto nyo mag-reserve seats, pwede kayong bumili ng ticket talaga sa may kiosk. Kami kasi pupunta po kami ng Asari Station. Kaya, ayun, nag-iCoca na lang kami. Yun na nga, para hindi kayo malito, check nyo na lang yung details kasi nilalagay naman nila kung anong track number yung going to Otaru and ano yung departure time niya. Para makasigurado talaga kami na saktong train yung sasakyan namin. Nagtanong talaga kami ng mga 2 tao, guys, to confirm talaga na etong pinipilahan namin ay going to Otaru. Mahirap lang mawala, guys, di ba? Sayang yung oras. Ayan. Yan na yung train, guys, and nasa likod kami. So, ang mangyayari, parang tatayo na lang talaga tayo. But if you want na mayroong seat, pwede naman kayong kumuha in advance ng ticket sa mga kiosk and may reserve seats na available doon. Kung wala kayong reserve seats, iCoca card, yes, pwede. Pero yun na nga, tatayo ka talaga. Go to Otaru!
The next stop is Teinen. The stop up.
Dito kami ngayon sa Otaru Chico Station. Bumaba kami, guys. So, yung sinakyan namin ay rapid train. So, medyo malalayo yung stations na dinadaanan niya. So, hindi siya dumaan sa Asari Station. Gusto ko talagang makapunta sa Asari Station since last year ko pa talagang gustong mapuntahan yon. So, hindi siya dumaan. Kaya dito kami sa may Otaru Chico bumaba. Tingnan nyo. Walang tao. Oh. Yes. So, if pupunta din kayo ng Asari Station, hindi dumadaan yung rapid train doon. So, pwede kayong sumakay ng regular na JR train. Hanapin nyo na lang, guys. And then, baba kayo ng Asari Station. In our case, na nakasakay na ng rapid train, ayun, dito na kami bababa. And antayin na lang namin dumating yung next train.
Soen, Sapporo, Shin Sapporo, Kita Hiroshima, Eniwa, Chitose, Minami Chitose, and the new Chitose Airport Terminal.
And we arrived here at Asari Station. One station lang siya away from Otaru Chico Station. And we finally made it here. So let's just explore the station, guys. And this is the station, by the way. Napaka-laid back ng station nila dito. We are done here at Asari Station, and now from here, sasakay ulit kami ng train going to Otaru Station. So, 3 station away lang dito yung Otaru Station, kaya inaantay na lang namin. Again guys, if you're traveling outside cities, especially ganitong maliliit na town, always be mindful sa departure para hindi kayo mag-antay ng matagal. So, matatagal pa naman yung mga departure ng next train. So, para hindi kayo maiwanan or mag-antay ng matagal, check nyo talaga yung departure time. Check nyo naman yung departure time sa Google Map. Kaya, ayan, before mag-explore, check nyo talaga kung anong oras ng train yung gusto nyong habulin. Tayo guys. Mura lang yung ramen, sakto lang. Mas mura compared sa Ichiran. Itadakimasu. Our order is here. So I ordered shoyu guys, ramen. Let's eat. So, we are done eating our lunch and now, pupunta na tayo sa ating destination dito sa Otaru. First stop, we will be going to Mount Tengo. Bubus lang kami guys. Ayan, dito na kami sa may bus stop. And then, yes, pupunta natin yung Mount Tengo and yung Tenguyama Ropeway. O, sasakay tayo ng cable car para makita natin yung buong view ng Otaru. So, from Otaru Station, nilakad lang namin ng mahigit 500 meters going here sa sakayan ng bus going to Tenguyama. Silver Jinsai Center で電話 33-9850 まで。利用のお客様は運賃箱についている機械にタッチしてください。わー、ski bubble yo. Lagi. Wow, may ski pala dito. Actually, yung pinunta talaga namin dito ay yung ropeway. Yan. So, we are going sa ropeway na guys. Let's go. Pwede pala ditong mag-ski. Don't climb the slope to take pictures. Unfortunately, closed today yung ropeway, suspended dahil malakas daw yung hangin. Nakakalungkot. So, closed din yung Otaru Aquarium until March 14. So sad. Ang ganda pa naman sana ng view guys. So, if kayo makagawi kayo dito sa Otaru, puntahan nyo tong lugar na to. I will post the pictures, ayan, from the Google. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. It's the view guys, kung makasakay kayo ng cable car. Look at it. Tapos kitang-kita yung buong view ng Otaru. Gusto ko pa naman sana mapuntahan yan, guys. Sayang. Pwede din pala dito mag-sled tsaka mag-snow tubing. 1,000 yen yung snow tubing. Tsaka yung sled naman is 500 yen. And open siya from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. So this is the Otaru Tenguyama. Sa baba lang to ng Tenguyama. Pa silang tinatawag na Tengu Sakara Observatory. Tas rooftop. Ang ganda, guys. Sayang tayo today. Hi. And just like that, we are here at Otaru Canal. Actually, nandun pa, guys. Tatawid pa kami. So, that's the Otaru Canal and we will be going there. Let's go! Let's go to Otaru Canal.
Some of those will be nice.
From Otaru Canal, you can visit this next stop, which is ang Otaru Beer Museum. Let's go! Today, ganito na yung snow, yung ice. Parang natutunaw na siya, guys. Sa loob lang ng Otaru Beer Museum ay may free brewery tour. Self-guided lamang, guys. So, pwede kang umakyat dito kasi libre lang ito. No Kikuji. So, as of today, guys, this is Sakaimachi Dori Street. Sobrang haba ng street na ito. And ang daming mga shops and kainan ang pwede nyong puntahan dito sa Sakaimachi Dori Street. This is Sakaimachi Dori Street. And if dire-diretso nyo yung street na yan, guys, makakarating kayo sa Otaru Steam Clock, Otaru Music Box Museum, at saka Otaru Antique Museum. Ang daming museum inside the street, guys. Ang dami talagang mga shops na dito sa Sakaimachi Dori Street. Ako na lang yung footage ko last year dito sa Sakaimachi Dori Street. Since it's our second time here, hindi na kami lalakad dyan, guys. Kasi sobrang lawak talaga ng lugar na ito. Hanggang dito lang kami sa may entrance. God! Must visit place here in Hokkaido ang Otaru, and dapat talagang include nyo siya sa inyong itinerary. Kayang-kayang i-DIY yan, guys. And talagang ma-amaze kayo sa sobrang ganda ng vibe dito sa Otaru. Napaka-laid back, napakaganda, and napaka-amazing talaga dito sa Otaru. Welcome to Otaru! We're back here at Otaru Station. Andyan na siya, guys. Otaru Station and bus terminal. Let's go! So, from Sakai Machidori Street, nilakad lang namin going here sa Otaru Station. And, ang layo niya. Ang layo niya talaga, guys. Almost 1 kilometer din yung nilakad namin papunta dito sa Otaru Station. Kaya, yes. Be prepared sa lakaran dito sa Otaru. And yun na nga, we are here at Otaru Station and let's go back to Sapporo. So we are back, guys, and we are here at Sapporo Station. Tik na kaming lumagpas, guys. Nakatulog kami. Buti na lang pagising. Buti na lang talaga at nakababa kami. Kasi baka makarating kami ng airport, guys. So ayun, we are here at Sapporo Station and we will be going to Sapporo Beer Museum, which is 1 bus stop away lang from here. So, sasakay tayo ng bus 188. Let's go! And we are here at Sapporo Beer Museum. 1 bus stop lang siya sa Sapporo Station. And welcome to Sapporo Beer Museum. Nasa labas pa lang kami, guys. So, papasukin natin yan. Pipicture muna tayo dito sa labas. Kuha kayo. So is cheese.
Nice.
Classic and isang Kaitafushi na beer. Ayan, guys.
Muna siya ang katong founder, si Kaitafushi.
Oh, siya ang founder. Tapos with cheese. Actually, meron pang ibang pwede mong ipares sa beer. Pero ito yung binili niya. 100 yen yung isang ganito. This one is 450 yen and 450 yen. So, after ng tour sa museum, ayan, pwede kang mag-beer tasting dito.
Ari, hindi mo beer. Bantay lang yung kamabog ka.
Ano daw?
Yati. Orang korek to, orang kasabot.
We are done here sa Sapporo Beer Museum. Ang ganda talaga, guys. So we are here at Susukino, and from sa Purobeer Museum, may bus na accessible going here. So, nag-bus lang kami going here. And then ngayon, stroll lang kami around Susukino. And we wanted to eat ramen, guys, sa may, Ramen Yokocho. So, kakain tayo doon. Napakadami ng tao ngayon sa Susukino. Tingnan nyo, napakaraming tao. Spicy miso ramen.
Sulit kayo.
Wow. Wow.